One of the words for love in Arabic is Muhabbah, which comes from a root word that means to erase. When we start a thing, it starts with either fear, hope, or love. When we work out of fear, we only work because we are scared and fear losing something. When we work for hope, we work to seek rewards. However, when we start a work out of love and faith, the work transforms us. My love for baking bread is new. It's only been 3 years, and with the passing of time, I'm realizing that I can do this at any point. Even when I'm tired, stressed, angry, or at my lowest. Whether it's learning how to bake or learning to love, both take huge amounts of patience. I started talking to Almighty out of love, not fear or hope, and practice putting my trust and faith again, letting the divine show me the path and the courage to walk upon it. Surely, my faith gets tested every once in a while, just like the rising temperature to bake the marvelous bread. It's like the bread is faith, and the rising temperature of the oven is there to test my patience and faith. But when the test gets over and I see the result, I see a beautiful and delicious bread. Whether it's baking or love, the recipe needs to be right before sharing it with others. Roughly, it takes 2 to 4 hours to proof bread. I like to add nuts during the second proofing because I like to leave the first proofing for the dough to get comfortable with the room temperature. There is a whole lot of chemistry occurring during the bread baking process. These 4 simple ingredients do all the magic: flour, yeast, sugar, and water. When we mix these 4 ingredients with muhabbah or love, the yeast reacts with sugar, and in doing so, it releases the carbon dioxide, which helps the bread rise. The sugar converts into alcohol, contributing to the flavor. However, the alcohol completely evaporates during bread baking. Before it goes into the oven, as well as when it comes out, you can see the amount of love and trust that was put into it. Likewise, when a huge amount of trust and love is put into your work, and when your faith gets tested with the constant rising heat, and when you don't lose hope, you come out as strong and beautiful, full of flavors of experience and success in your heart. Enjoy your fruit of patience with butter and tea.